The virus is not a living organism but a protein molecule scientifically called RNA covered by a protective layer of lipid which is commonly called fat, which when absorbed by the cells of the eyes, nose, oral cavity changes their genetic code, causing mutation and converting them into aggressor and multiplier cells. Since the virus is not a living organism but a protein molecule, it is not killed but it decays on its own. The virus is very fragile. The only thing that protects it is a thin layer of fat. That is why any soap or detergent is the best remedy, because the foam cuts the fat. That is why you have to rub so much while washing your hands, at least for 20 seconds or more, to make lot of foam. By dissolving the fat layer, the protein molecule disperses and breaks down on its own. Alcohol or any mixture of alcohol over 65% dissolves the fat, especially the external lipid layer of the virus. Any mix with 1 part of bleach and 5 parts of water directly dissolves the protein and breaks it down from inside. When someone has COVID-19, he coughs or exhales, they release droplets of infected fluid. Most of these infected fluid droplets fall on nearby surfaces and objects such as desks, tables, or telephones. People could catch COVID-19 by touching the contaminated surfaces or objects and then touching their eyes, nose, or mouth. If they are standing within 1 meter of a person with COVID-19, they can catch it by breathing the droplets coughed out or exhaled by them. In other words, COVID-19 spreads in a similar way the flu spreads. The more confined the space, the more chances that the virus can be there. The more naturally ventilated the area, the less chances that the virus is there. The virus cannot go through the healthy skin. That is why you have to wash your hands anytime you touch TV remotes, cell phones, watches, or any desks or computers, and especially after using bathroom. Follow these 5 steps every time when you wash your hands. Wet your hands with clean running water, warm or cold, turn off the tap and apply soap. Lather your hands by rubbing them together with the soap. Lather the backs of your hand, between your fingers and under your nails, and also the tips of your fingers, and see that none of the area on your hand is left over without rubbing. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds, that is roughly equal to singing happy birthday song from beginning to end twice. Rinse your hands well under clean and running water, tap water. Dry your hands using a clean towel and or air dry them.